your shop is anything like mine, then you have an overabundance of sawdust, and you feel bad throwing it away. Well, today, we're going to take that sawdust and we're going to make fire starters, using nothing more than sawdust, a Dixie cup, and some wax from the dollar store. All we're going to do is take our stainless steel container, put it on our oven burner, and there's no need to use a dedicated burner for this. I happen to have one in the wood shop, so I'm using that. But you can just use your home oven. The first thing I did was unwrap the candles. If there's a metal tab to hold the wick, you need to remove it. Mine didn't have it, so I put it right into the pot on a low-medium heat. I'm just going to put some sawdust into the cup. Then I lightly pack it down until it's about that full. Now we wait for the wax to finish melting, stirring occasionally to speed up the process. After the wax is melted, put a decent amount of wax in each cup, then let them cool. I found this little ladle at the dollar store that's about a half size. Measures out the perfect amount. After it cools, it's ready to use. To light, simply use the top of the paper cup as a wick. Each one will burn for between 10 and 15 minutes and give you a great fire. That's one of the ways that I use up the sawdust that I have laying around the shop, and I make it usable instead of just throwing it away. We're going to be uploading a bunch more tips and tricks as well as full project builds. Don't forget to subscribe.